Hey TMMK Fitness, welcome to the workout of the day, where today I'm Coach Alana. I'll be taking you through my HIIT boxing workout. So to warm up, we're going to do some inchworms with some torso rotation, followed by a squat with a calf raise and a cross rotation. So these are movements to get your full body warmed up and ready for our boxing workout today. So most of you guys know that inchworm, so we're going to come down nice and easy. What I want you guys to do is about 5 per side. So once you're in that nice strong plank position, we're going to be bringing one leg up towards that same hand. So we're in that spider lunge position, but then we're going to open up towards the ceiling, okay? Really trying to open up not only the hips, we're also now opening up that mid-back. Get a nice rotation in through here. Bring it back down. We're going to hit that other side. And hopefully we get a little further in that rotation each rep, but also you can increase the distance from the foot to the hand. So go at your pace, your distance, so gradually you'll get a little bit deeper into those moves. So I want you to do 5 per side. Then you're gonna follow that by 10 squats with the calf raise, to send those hips back. That squat, come up onto those toes, warm up those ankles because we're doing a lot of rotation work. We wanna make sure everything is nice and warm, okay? So squat, come up on those toes, get that calf raise in there. Last but not least, we're going to do a torso rotation. We're going to add that cross punch in. So go ahead and ignite those abs, keep your core nice and tight, pack those shoulders. We're going to rotate side to side, take a nice strong cross towards the opposite wall. So cross, rotate over. Noticing I'm going ahead and practicing that hip rotation, powering through those hips. That's where that power is going to come from. So even though we don't have our boxing gloves here, if you want to grab some light weights for some of these moves, you can. But all that power is coming from that rotation, powering through those hips. I really want you to give me full straight arms. Try to get those knuckles down towards the wall, okay? Full extension, keep them nice and sharp. So for the workout portion, you're first gonna do a HIIT conditioning. You're gonna go for 3 rounds. First round is for 3 minutes. The second one is for 2 minutes. The third round is for 1 minute. So 3, 2, 1. Your reps are gonna be 10, 8, 6. So in that 3-minute round, you're going to perform 10 reps of each exercise. On your 2nd-minute round, you're going to do 8 reps. And on the last round, the 1 minute, you've got 6 rounds. So both the time and those reps are decreasing, okay? So trying to get almost the same amount of rounds in because your time is decreasing as well as those reps, so you're going to be moving quicker through. So those moves are going to look like this. We've got 4, okay? So reverse lunge, big step back, straight down. Make sure you tuck those hips. You're going to come in for a nice front kick for me. So you want to go ahead and bring your hands up here, pat those shoulders, go and protect that face, okay? So 10, big step back, front kick. We're going to do 5 on each side, okay? Let me show you that side view. Big step back, 90-degree both legs, bring it down. Push that midfoot and heel to come up. Try to knock that door down, so get those feet nice and flat, okay? Give me some power there. 5 each side. We're going to be in a right-handed stance, okay? So that means that left foot forward, right foot back. Just try to think in your toe and your heel, your left toe, your right heel. Nice line here. You're facing 1 and 2 o'clock. Shoulders back down, okay? We've got a jab, cross, hook, and uppercut, okay? So you're alternating sides. So jab left, cross right, hook left, nice sharp 90. Pick that heel up, okay? Cross, straight back. Oh, sorry, uppercut. So jab, cross, hook, uppercut, scoop it up. So notice anytime I cross or uppercut, that back foot is pivoting, powering through those hips, okay? So you've got 10 on the right side. We've got 10 skaters, okay? So step back behind. So you can make these as big or as small as you want. So the bigger, you can reach down. You can get more lateral. Just try to watch that knee. Make sure it stays over that ankle, okay? We don't want it shooting forward, okay? We want to protect that knee, so stay in control. Reach down. You can turn these into curtsy lunges if you want to, but the goal is to keep that heart rate up, so we're going to move a little faster. You're going to finish out that with the left side for that jab, cross, hook, upper. So now your right toe, left heel. We're just facing the other side. Jab, cross, hook, upper. Okay? Core tight, quick jab, power cross, hook, upper. All right, you got it. So you're going to go through those 4 moves, okay? First round, 3 minutes, 10 reps each, and then you decrease, okay? You're then going to do 4 rounds per time in this next section. You're going to be 45 seconds. fast feet, okay? If you're with a partner, let your partner across the room call out, quick switch, okay? You're gonna go to the side, quick switch, keep that fast feet. So for 45 seconds. So core tight, hinge those hips, so mini squat, keep on those toes, keep fast, switch. We're just coming towards one side of the room and back, get some rotation, get some core, and we warmed up for it, so we're ready, okay? 45 seconds. You've got 10 hand release burpees. So we come down, hop or step out, come all the way down, lift those hands up, press, back up, okay? So all the way down, you can step or hop out, a little hand release, bring it up, step, or hop back in. Just make sure we're stepping wide to protect that back, okay? So that way you can push through those feet, squeeze those glutes to help stand up. Third move here, 20, jab, jab, cross, hook. So jab, jab, cross, hook. Jab, jab, cross, hook. 20 reps. For each round, you can alternate left and right if you want to, or you can stay in your dominant stance, okay? So 4 rounds for time on that section of those 4 exercises. Last but not least, one of my favorites, I've got a boxing pyramid finisher for you. So you're gonna start with jab crosses, okay? So again, choose your stance, try to stay in your dominant stance to get the most comfortable, but once you're comfortable with it, try to go the opposite, that southpaw stance, or if you're southpaw left-handed, try the right side, okay? So we got 10 jab crosses, okay? Jab cross. Still trying to pivot through on that cross, even though these are gonna be a little quicker, okay? So once you finish 10, you've got 10 jumping jacks. You're also gonna be right here, 10 reps, 10 total, okay? Followed by 20 uppercuts. So we're scooping both up, scooping towards the rib cage, getting those rotation, okay? Pivoting through those toes, getting those knees, moving them through to protect the joint. So if I were to do this uppercut without turning that knee in, or picking that heel up, it looks a little painful, right? So get those heels up, okay? So 20 uppercuts, squat jumps for 20. So down, up, 20 reps, okay? You also can do a squat with a calf raise here, 20 reps. 30 is the highest we're going. 30, back to jab cross for 30. So 1, 2, 3, all right, all the way up to 30, 30 jumping jabs, okay? Then you're gonna come down that pyramid. You're gonna follow that again with 20 uppercuts, 20 squat jumps, and finish out with 10 jab crosses and 10 jumping jacks, okay? So make this workout yours, okay? Come grab a staff member, we'd love to help you. This is a great workout, full body, also a great stress relief. It's one of my favorite to teach. But just make sure you're breathing, exhale through each punch, grab water when you need to. But you're about to knock this workout out of the park. You've got this, let's go.